Hey everyone, check out the ZERONDER 8-in-1 professional wood massage tool set. This complete kit includes 8 natural wooden tools designed for full body shaping and lymphatic drainage. Crafted from durable materials with smooth surfaces, it helps relieve muscle pain and improve blood circulation. The ergonomic design ensures an easy grip and high efficiency for targeting any part of your body. It is ideal for office workers, athletes, and anyone needing relaxation or recovery at home. Use your favorite massage oil with these tools for an even better daily wellness routine. Grab this amazing set today and transform your self-care experience completely. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.